AI is quietly transforming how UK employment cases are being handled. But here's what you need to know before your tribunal gets involved. Employment tribunals across the UK now use AI for document review, evidence analysis, and case prediction. Tools like predictive analytics software help judges assess case strength. Natural language processing scans thousands of pages instantly. This saves time and reduces human bias. For freelancers and small business owners, understanding these tools means better preparation. You're competing against AI-powered analysis, whether you know it or not. First, organize your evidence digitally. I scan structured data faster than paper trails. Second, use e-writing tools to strengthen your statement's clarity matters when algorithms analyze your claims. Third, request disclosure of any AI tools used in your case. You have that right. Finally, consider hiring professionals familiar with AI-assisted tribunals. They understand how algorithms weight evidence differently than humans do. ChatGPT helps draft tribunal responses and organize case timelines. Claude analyzes complex employment law documents for relevant precedents. Google's Notebooklim summarizes witness statements automatically. Descript transcribes hearing recordings for accurate records. These tools level the playing field for individuals facing corporate legal teams. Use them to strengthen your documentation before submission. Never rely solely on AI for legal advice tribunals. See through generic templates. Don't submit AI-generated evidence without human verification. Factual errors hurt your case. Avoid disclosing AI use inappropriately. Transparency is essential. Finally, remember AI tools have biases built in. Always cross-check AI analysis with qualified employment law specialists before tribunals. Subscribe for more AI tool guides that actually matter for your business. Drop a comment. Have you faced AI in legal proceedings?